Roots and Shoots gives me hope because I see that a wave of change is coming. It has shown me that we are part of something much bigger than just our local communities. It connects us to an international movement of young people that are not just talking about making a difference, but acting and doing something about it. The past year has been incredible to see how an idea such as saving dolphins around Spain or cleaning microplastics from the sea can turn into something tangible and create real change. Lawmakers who had realized that Spain is the largest prison for dolphins in all of Europe, but now are willing to do something about it. My campaign, directed to the President of Spain, has gained a lot of momentum. In addition to the over 100,000 signatures, a motion to prohibit dolphinariums has already been signed in the Senate and will be presented to the entire Parliament this fall with the intention of becoming a law. 183 children that participated in our last beach cleanup who will now not only think twice before littering, but become proactive and pick up where they see garbage polluting their beaches and waters. My dream is to create a marine sanctuary in the Mediterranean called S.U.A, Save Us All, and I am filled with hope that one day this will happen. Dr. Goodall is such an inspiration to me that I'm utterly humbled and honored to be recognized for this award. I would like to thank Marissa from Roots and Shoots Spain, my friends and family that have always supported me, and of course, Dr. Goodall and the Jane Goodall Institute who give us hope every day. Thank you.